Cynthia's Kitchen Studio.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cynthia's Kitchen Studio. Today we're making something rich, comforting, and absolutely delicious. A creamy garlic salmon side. But before we begin this recipe, let's start with our little ritual. A moment to slow down with a nice cup of green tea. When it comes to salmon, quality really matters. Fresh, well-cut pieces make all the difference. I like to cut the salmon into even portions. That way, every piece cooks gently and stays tender. You don't need much seasoning when the ingredients are good. A simple pinch of salt is enough to bring out the natural flavor. Just a touch of black pepper for warmth, not to overpower. Gently rub the seasoning in, taking your time. This is where flavor begins. Simple ingredients, good technique, and patience. That's how beautiful food is made. Now the pan is hot, and that's exactly what we want. Listen to that sound as the salmon touches the pan. That gentle puffing tells us the heat is doing its job. I place the salmon in skin side down first. Once the skin has done its thing, I gently turn the salmon. Just let it cook and build that color. A little movement in the pan is fine. We are letting the heat work evenly. Now I add the butter and a sprig of rosemary. As the butter melts, it carries the aroma of the rosemary through the salmon. I spoon the butter over the fish, slowly letting it soak in all that flavor. This is where the salmon becomes rich, golden and tender. Once it's beautifully browned, I remove it from the pan and let it rest on the plate. While the salmon rests, I prepare the best for the cream. Simple, gentle, and full of flavor. Bake in the same pan because flavor stays here. Nothing wasted. Garlic, onions, cherry tomatoes, baby spinach. Everything softens, melts, and settles into the butter. Then the cream goes in. followed by cheese. I gently place the salmon back into the pan. The pan smells richer now, deeper and comforting. We close the pan and let it simmer, giving everything time to come together. The dish gently finishes. I take a moment for tea. Green tea with a touch of lemon. It's light, calming, and grounding. A quiet balance to what's happening in the pan. This pause matters. Good food doesn't rush, and neither do we. This is the moment we've been all waiting for. I love